Some lives end, but their values live on forever. A very good morning, everyone. Today, we have gathered here to observe Martyrs' Day with deep respect and proud hearts. On this solemn day, we remember Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, and all the other brave souls who sacrificed their life so that we could live in freedom and peace. Their sacrifice reminds us that freedom wasn't gifted. It was earned through truth, courage, and unwavering love for our nation. To begin with this remembrance, let us listen to Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, a bhajan which was very close to Mahatma Gandhi's heart. As we listen, let us reflect on his message of peace, non-violence, and unity.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। 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 सीताराम सीताराम, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। 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 रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज प्यारे तो सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज प्यारे तो सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज प्यारे तो सीताराम। तन मन कर्म वचन से जान, भज पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।